I make tofu the way I thought I would love it, and I loved it. The high level of protein makes tofu a good alternative to animal derived meat or protein. So, for those who don't necessarily love poultry or love meat, this is a great alternative for you. We'll need 14-ounce extra firm tofu, sliced green bell peppers or any color bell peppers of choice, sliced or chopped mushrooms. It could be white, it could be brown. Our regular seasonings, half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder. You can throw in some black pepper powder in there and some crushed peppers, but these seasonings are entirely optional. We'll also need sliced or chopped habaneros and cucumbers, some flax seeds, and some chopped onions. And the onions can be any color onions of choice. We'll begin by frying the onions in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Fry until translucent. Add your chopped mushrooms and fry for about 1 minute. Include your jalapenos to give it the jalapeno flavor. Add your broken down firm tofu. The tofu, when taken out of the package, is a solid block or a solid cube. I simply use the fork to break it all down and make it look scrambled. Work the onions, the mushrooms, and the jalapeno into the tofu for about 1 minute. Include your seasonings and thoroughly combine for about 5 minutes. If you like your tofu dry like I do, don't cover the pot. Let the moisture evaporate so that you can have a somewhat dry, scrambled egg-like looking tofu stir fry. According to the US Department of Agriculture, half a cup of firm tofu offers 21.8 grams of protein with 181 calories and 11 grams of fat. Most of that fat is of the healthy polyunsaturated kind. Tofu also contains all the essential amino acids your body needs and is rich in minerals and vitamins, including calcium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin A. A published 2020 study that looked at data from more than 210,000 US healthcare professionals found that those eating at least one serving of tofu a week had an 18% lower risk of heart disease compared with those who rarely ate tofu. And a 2021 study in the European Journal of Nutrition that included about half a million people in China, those without a history of cardiovascular disease who ate soy 4 or more days a week, had lower odds of dying from a heart attack compared with people who never or rarely ate soy. For the vast majority of people, it should be reasonable to incorporate tofu in their daily diet without any issues. Foodies like me celebrate tofu for its ability to absorb the flavor of whatever it's cooked with. I mean, there's almost unlimited ways to incorporate tofu into your diet and your lifestyle. Try and avoid tofu preparations with excess sugar, salt, or saturated fat. And that's it. You're all done. You can eat this scrambled egg like looking tofu stir fry with some cauliflower rice, or you can put it on a lettuce wrap just like I am. Sprinkle on some tomatoes, some scallions, flax seeds, green peppers, cucumbers, whatever vegetables you want to sprinkle on there and enjoy. It is not only nutritious, but it is absolutely delicious. Let me know what other recipes you use tofu for. And if you have enjoyed making this recipe with me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. And until next time, remember to be beautiful, Be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.